Are you swinging, William? Yay! You gonna come out? Okay, Daddy will take you out. We're gonna go see what Charlie has to say about the park. Okay, Charlie, tell us what's in the park.
Do you want it?
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
There's icicles inside.
Can you show us the snowman? What do you see, Eli? Charlie, can you give that back to Elijah? I think he wants it. Thanks. Okay, where's the snowman? Show us. Tell us about the snowman.
There's a snowman.
Okay, let's go. Let's go see it.
But we might have to finish the road.
There's no carrots. What do you mean no carrots?
Look. Look.
Oh, you mean its nose?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks kind of skinny.
Yeah. So,
Okay, what else?
there's icicles.
Hi, Elijah.
Here.
Eli, is that a snowman? Yay!
Leaves.
Okay, no leaves. That's right. It's funny, isn't it? And what about the... Is there a sandbox?
No, I'll tell you about
Okay, come show me. Oh, you broke off... Elijah, did you just break off the snowman's head?
Did you
Oh,
know?
Elijah has the snowman's head. Eli, show me.
No,
Wow.
everywhere.
And look, William's playing on the swings with Daddy. Whee! Is that fun, William? I don't think you can fix it, Eli. I think it's... I think it's broken. Uh-oh. Charlie, you're going to get injured.
Yeah.
Okay, go show us, Charlie. Come show us the play structure. What do we see?
There's snow everywhere.
There is snow everywhere. That's pretty much sums it up, doesn't it? You can see everything's buried.
Lots of ice.
Uh-oh. Elijah, are you okay?
The sandbox
Did you fall down?
sand.
No, there's no sand. It's all buried. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye, William? Bye-bye.